Hi guys, I'm excited. We get to read this story. It's called The Big Bus. And the best way to do this would be to come up to this part up here on your, if your parents can help log into Superkids, and listen to this one. And this will help go read the book to you and talk about it a little bit. I do want you to try to read these words by yourself first and then let it read it to you. And while you're reading it, the reason we're reading this book is because we're going to find out how the Super Kids feel about their bus and how they're going to fix it to make it extra special for themselves. So I'm not going to read the story to you. I want you to try to read it. And then you can also listen to the website read it to you. And then while you're reading it, I want you to think about some questions. I want you to think about, um, does Lily think the bus will make a good clubhouse? She says very clearly what she thinks about it. And then what do they notice about the bus? I want you to really think about the things that you're reading. And then at the end, I think you will be happily surprised. So enjoy this reading. These are all words that you can sound out. So do your best. And I will talk to you soon.